Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. When I said hap hap, you say hooray! Hap hap! Hap hap! Yung mas malakas! Hap hap! Very good. My name is Adeline Sanos, ang pinakabatang doktor sa anak. Abot kamay ang pangarap. Fresh and young and also virgin na virgin. Yes, fresh na fresh, mas fresh pa sa be fresh. Yes, young na young, mas young pa kay young conception. Yes, virgin na virgin, mas virgin pa kay Jane na virgin. I am your Jillian Ward, 18 years old, your babae tonight.
So much, candidate number 1. Now it's your turn to shine. Candidate number 2. A big round of applause, please.
Awan disdisiplin at
Tonight is a celebration of beauty, diversity, and inclusivity, promoting gender equality. Hi, hello, mabuhay. This is your queen, Jane Chan Begawisan, hailing all the way west from the famous Gawa-Gawayan Festival, city of Gawayan, province of Isabela. Proud and loud to be the first ever trans-agriculture student at Isabela State University, Gawayan Campus, who graduated major in animal science. Yes, indeed. Na nagsasabi at nagpapaalala sa aking mga kapwa kabataan, to be beautiful and to be handsome means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by the others. You just need to accept and embrace yourself. Again, happy fiesta, Barangay Dibulwan, Sitio, Villa, Miranda. And I love you all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 2. Now it's your turn, candidate number 3.
I want your body. Turn up the corner. I'm feeling like a thing close to me. Only all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body, my desire. You feel like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue. Dancing in your eyes. I want your body.
Dinaya ko pa po ang Barangay Dibuluan, Sitio, Villa, Mercedes upang masaksihan ang inyong masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan. Kaya naman, Villa Mercedes, Villa Miranda rather, nais ko po bang masaksihan at marinig ang inyong masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan? Thank you. Standing in front of you is not just only a candidate, but a person who has the dedication, kindness, beauty within my heart. I am Debbie Aveza Orella, 21, loud and proudly representing
the Sabungani Festival of Isabela, Municipality of Benito Soliven. And I believe and I will always believe in what Francine Garcia once said, that every candidate here in the backstage represent themselves and their own municipality. So why don't you let me represent them all? That would be all. Thank you and good evening.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 3. Now it's your turn to shine, candidate number 4.
I want your body. Won't live without it.
Wow!
So turn up the party. I'm feeling nice. Get close to me. I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body. I desire you. Feel like the fire. Just come with me. Come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. A thousand shades of blue dancing in your eyes. I want your body. I want your body.
Hindi po lahat ng may gandang mukha ay babae. Malay nyo, ako pala ang dati nyong kumpare. Hindi man po ako kasing ganda ng nanay mo o sing sexy ng ate mo. Malay mo, ako pala ang nawawalang kuya mo. Standing in front of you, a 16 years old virgin, fresh and virgin, never been kissed, never been touched, but totally damaged. No itilwakit timangken, dugo. Ano luwakit timangken, mokat data. Ngem no tibutik timangken, dugong data. Ngem no data karubang nga chismosa titimangken, bebe amon, natayin data. Ang babaeng lumipad sa kalingitan, bumagsak sa kalupaan. Ang babaeng nagpatibok ng puso ni Mr. Dingdong Dantes, Marian Rivera. I am your Queen Samantha Ladero and I am proud and loud representing Barangay Balyaw, Benito Soliven, Province of Isabela. At nag-iiwan po ako ng simpleng kasabihan, boys, imbes naman babae, mamakla ka na lang. Bakit? May girlfriend ka na, may kumpare ka pa. Ayan ay! Thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Candidate number 5.
I want your body. Won't live without it. So turn up the party. I'm feeling nice. Get close to me. I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body. I desire you. Feel like the fire. Just come with me. Come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue dancing in your eyes. I want your body.
Kung kasalanan man po ang pagiging bakla, ngayon pa lamang po humihingi na po ako ng kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ang hatid namin ay saya at ngiti, maaari po bang humingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Maraming salamat po. Dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan, kailanman hindi naging pamantayan kung gaano ka man kapangit o kung gaano ka man kaganda. Dahil ang tunay na pamantayan ng Diyos ay kung gaano kabusila ang iyong puso. Hi, hello, mabuhay! This is Queen JC Domingo Bulan, 17, all the way from Barangay Lislap, Municipality of San Mariano, Province of Isabela. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay ay palakpakan at hiyawan ang mas pina-fresh at pinabatang version ni Queen Kurt Papiolek. Queen Kurt Papiolek, nag-iiwan ng isang katagang sa mapuputi nilang balat, dibdib na pinagpepestahan ng isang grupo ng kalalakihan. Ngunit ngayong gabi, bakit hindi po natin baguhin ang tunay na pamantayan ng kagandahan? Ganda ng iilan, sexy ng karamihan, ay tatapatan, papantayan, at minsan pa nga pong hihigitan ng isang batang tunay na kontisera na nasa inyong harapan. If you have it, show it. Nang mamata sila sa inyo. And I love you all. Enjoy the show.
Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 5. Now, it's you, candidate number 6.
I want your body, won't live without it. So turn up the party. I'm feeling like it comes to me. I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body, my desire. You feel like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue, dancing in your eyes. I want your body.
Syungan. Charot. Ang hindi pumalakpak, makomatos. Ang hindi hiyaw, masusunugan ng bahay. Joke lamang po. Sa layo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, Kapitan, wala ka man lang patubig at igado dyan. Joke lang, Kapitan. This is Francesca de la Cruz Dinglasan, Lucero, 24 years of age, proud and loud to dignify to represent Bayan ng Puso, Benito Solivel, na nag-iiwan ng kasabihang hindi baling kumain sa mang inasal, basta may titing sinasalsa. Joke lamang po. Good evening. Enjoy the rest of the night. Happy Fiesta, Villa Miranda.
Thank you so much, cadet number 6. And now, ladies and gentlemen, cadet number 7.
Ayun na. Punak mo sumali
I
ka.
want your body,
Nagaji.
won't live without it.
Tawag
So
na yan.
turn up the party. I'm feeling like it comes to me. I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body, my desire. You feel like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue, dancing in your eyes. I want your body. It's getting hotter.
Nagayos nga
It's
nata.
hotter.
Ha? Nagayos ka. Ba yan? Naka.
I want your body. It comes to me. I'll be all that you need. Then I what you want, baby. I want your body. My desire.
Being homosexuality, ladies and gentlemen, it is not to diminish our main society because the purpose of living world is to live, love, and to be loved. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Villa Miranda! I almost traveled 1,000 miles just to reach and meet the people of Villa Miranda. Mabuhay! Sana pong malakas na palakpakan naman dyan.
Sige, Romel, maka-i-smile ka pa eh.
When I finished my degree as an independent person, I thought that I was not able to raise myself through adversity. But living an independent person, I can say now that I can fulfill my dreams. And I'm staging this show to showcase the beauty and talents of each candidate. I am Queen CJ Castillo, 20 plus 8. 28 is summer and proud and loud to present the ideal city of the North, Kawayan City.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome candidate number 8.
It's getting hotter. The beat.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. Good evening everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a fresh young woman at Barangay de Camay, San Mariano, Isabela. Yes, ako nga po pala ay minsan nang nasaktan at minsan natin iniwan pero hindi ko lumupas ang kagandahan. Ako rin po ang nagpatibok sa pusong pihikan. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Derek Ramsey. Please do allow me to call my name this night as Christine Reyes. Yes, Christine Reyes na nagsasabi kung ang mga kalalakihan ay tinaguriang champurado at ang mga kababaihan ay tinaguriang sopas, kami mga kabaklaan ay tinaguriang lugaw at ang mga tumboy ay mamimingger ng kiki. At isa lang ang pagpiniwalaan ko, huwag gumamit ng magic sarap dahil nasa akin ang tunay na sarap. At kung ang batay pinapalo sa bread, kami mga bakla ay tinutusok sa bread. Sabi nila, kapag maliit ang titi, hindi masakit sa bread. Pero kapag malaki, sigurado ako, natikman mo na ang luto ng langit sa lupa ang inyong mundo. At nagsasabi noon at ngayon, noon, kapag maganda, liligawan agad. Noon, kapag maganda, titigan muna, baka akalaing bakla. Noon, pag mabilog ang buwan, bago ikasal. Ngayon, antayin bumulog ang tiyan bago magpakasal. Diba? Representing Barangay de Camay, San Mariano, Isabela, and I thank you, High Fiesta, Villa Miranda.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Now, it's your turn, candidate number 9.
Thousand shades of blue, dancing in your eyes. I want your body. It's getting hotter. The beat is louder. I know you want it.
Ba't po ang baho ng mic? Joke. Hi! Hello! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang sigawan dyan? This is Briley Wilson, ang nag-iisang sangre ng Encantadia. Ang sangre ng lupa, ang nag-iisang Miss Bianca Umali. Ang sangre ng lupa dahil ang mga candidate ay mukha silang lupa. I joke. Joke mga candidate. I love you. Hip, hip, hip! nyo at mga asawa nyo dahil sa akin lang nakatingin ang mga asawa John. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Hello. May the stars align you. Candidate number 10.
Hello. Kahit kailan, hindi pamantayan ang pagiging bakla. Dahil ang inyong nasa harapan, marami nang napatunayan sa buhay at mas marami pang mapapatunayan. Taking of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Dariana Cobbs Domingo, representing Barangay Salapan. I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 10. Once again, our 10th
Lovely candidates.
Gonna let it go tonight. All is you.
No. Wala po bang hiyawan dyan?
I want your body.
Okay, candidate, turn to your right.
It's getting hotter.
Turn to your right again.
I know you want me.
Turn to your right.
I want your body.
And face the jumper.
Be all that you need. Then I want you want, baby. I want your body. Like desire. You feel like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All is you. Thousand shades of blue. Dancing in your eyes. I'm just gonna let
Okay, thank you so much, candidates. You may now proceed at the backstage.
hold you close to me. Dancing in your eyes. I want your body.